Howdy folks, this is Into the Lens by Yes from the Drama album. We have a little bass intro and then we come in, we're in 3/4 time. We're gonna have this B chord top, 9, 8, 7, 7. We're gonna have 1. Okay, so it's a really tricky thing. It's like 1 and 2, 3 and. So it's like 1 and 2. So da 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 dum. So we go 1 and 2, da 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 dum. That's the tricky part, right? So 3, 4, 1 and 2. Now the second one goes pause and then. So it's like a 1 and then a triplet on the second half of the first beat. 1 and then 2 and 3. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now once you have that picking thing down, you can just go to different chords. 1. Okay, so I went to the sus there, 9, 9, 7, 7 from the 9, 8, 7, 7. So let's do those two together. 3 count, we got 1, 2, 3, 1. 1. Then we have 11, 11, 10, and 9, F sharp minor chord. We got 1. And then D, 12, 11, 10, 10. And then we have a form of a C sharp 7. This is going to be 9, 10, 9, and 7 on the bottom. 1. So that one's tricky. We got 9, 10, 9, and 7. So I'm using my middle finger on the 9, pinky on the 10, ring finger on the 9, first finger on the 7. 1. And then we have the top of an E minor, 9, 9, 8, 7. 1. We're back to B. 1. And then it ends with rest, and then. So we have 11, 10, 9, da-da-da-dum. So down, up, real fast, da-da-da-dum. It's like a triplet with an extra note. And then put the 11 on the bottom with the 11, 10, 11. And then 12 on the bottom. Okay, so the whole intro is 1, 2, 3, 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Okay, so that's our intro. Let me slow it way down for you. So 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, and then we have a lead that comes in. That repeats, so that goes all through one more time. And on that, we're going to have a lead that goes. Okay, so you got to listen to this a lot to get this timing. 6 on the A string, 4 to 2, up to the 7. Then we're going to go to the G string, 8. We're going to go 8 to 6, up to 11. And then little string, we're going 12 to 9. To 10, up to 16, and then 14, 13, 12, 19, and then. So this is interesting. We got 19, 21, then we have to bend the 22 up to the sound of 24. And then we have to I kind of bend it into the sound of what would be the 23 there. So kind of a half step bend on that 22nd fret. So. Like a whole step bend, and then kind of bring it into a half step bend. So this whole thing again is. And then ends with. Okay, and then we get into the verse thing. There's a little lead into the verse that has this little melody. We're going to go 7/5 on the B, that was 7, 5, and like 3, 5, 7, 3 to 4. When he sings it, it kind of has more of a 3, 3, 4 kind of thing. So. Second time, we'll have a 2, 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, slide to 7, 3 to 4 in the G. That 4 is on the G. Okay, then singing is like the same kind of thing. It's like. Now this third time, there's gonna be guitar fills coming on. So that was 6, 4, 2 on the G, and then the next one is. So we have C sharp, 4 on the A string, and then O, 2, 4 on the D. And then our last one is going to be 7, 6, 4. So with the melody, it's like. See how that works? And then we're going to have a C minor chord, 8, 10, 10, and all 8s. On an upbeat, we're going to kind of hold that, and it starts this little thing. Little 8s, and then we got G minor. We're gonna go 6, 6, 6, 6. And as soon as that chord starts, right when that chord hits, then this chord hits, and we wait a second, we go 6, 6, 6, 6, right? Now our next thing is gonna go. So that was 7 to 6 on the G. And then on the B string, we're going 5, 7, 8, 8 to 10 slide, little 9. So it's. And this one starts with a bend on the 12, coming down. 12, 12, 10 to 12 on the second. So we got. Now this next one, kind of paraphrasing this in order to play it fast enough. So this one is like 9, 10, 12, 10, 9 to the 7. Now here I'm going to go 10 to 7 to 8 to 7. And then G string, 9, 7, 6, 7, 6. So real slow, it's like. That's kind of how I figured it out to do it.